वेलकम टू माय चैनल इंग्लिश सिंधी बडी। सभिनीनि सिंधी भाइरनि खे अर्ज़ु थो कजे त मुंहिंजे चैनल खे सब्सक्राइब, लाइक ऐं शेयर कनि। थैंक यू। असांजो अॼु जो टॉपिक आहे पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस। द पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस डिस्क्राइब्स एक्शंस हैपनिंग ओवर अ पीरियड इन द पास्ट। ज़मान माज़ी मुसलसिल माज़ी में कंहिं दौर में थींदड़ अमलनि खे बयान करे थो। The helping verbs of past continuous tense are was and were. Past continuous tense जा helping verbs आहिनि was ऐं were. Was is used with I, he, she, it and any singular name. Were is used with you, we, they and plural names. Was I, he, she, it ऐं कंहिं वाहिद नाले सां इस्तेमाल थिए थो। Were, you, we, they ऐं जमा नालनि सां इस्तेमाल थिए थो। Sentence formation of past continuous tense. Past continuous tense जो जुमलो ठाहिण। Subject plus verb या were plus main verb plus ing plus phrase या object. I subject आहे, was helping verb आहे, going main verb plus ing आहे, to Karachi phrase या object आहे। I was going to Karachi. मां कराची वञी रहियो होसि। Past continuous tense जा कुझु वधीक मिसाल। I was playing cricket. मां क्रिकेट खेॾी रहियो होसि। She was learning how to swim. हूअ तरण सिखी रहियो हो। She was learning new concepts of grammar. हूअ ग्रामर जा नवां तस्वर सिखी रही हुई। It was playing with ball. उहो बाल सां खेॾी रहियो हो। You were reading a good novel. तव्हां हिकु सुठो नॉवल पढ़ी रहिया हुआ। We were swimming in a big pool. असीं हिकु वॾे तलाउ में तरी रहिया हुआसीं। They were going to लाकाना. उहे लाकाणे वञी रहिया हुआ। John was traveling towards London. John लंडन ॾांहुं सफ़र करे रहियो हो। John, Sam and Alice were preparing for the game. John, Sam ऐं एलिस रांदि जी तयारी करे रहिया हुआ।